Hi guys, so today we're going to draw clouds on Procreate and it's really easy. First create a background layer and fill it with sky blue color. Then select a medium airbrush and paint with a darker blue color. Select Gaussian blur to merge the two background colors. Next, open up a new layer. Choose Clouds Brush 2 and paint with a bluish white color. Then add shading with a darker grey tone. Now select a light yellow color to create some light. And then choose a white color to continue painting the clouds. Select eraser and choose Cottons as the tool brush. Now I'm just erasing the bits that I don't want. Next I use the merge tool to blend the colors. And then I just continue to paint and merge a little bit more until I'm happy with it. This is how it looks in the end, and I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.